Hey everyone, Justin here, and in this video we're going to show you how to upgrade the exhaust system on your Chevy Silverado pickup truck. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the action. For this video, we'll be installing the Corsa Sport Exhaust System on this 2021 Chevy Silverado. This particular kit is a straight bolt-on deal, so there's no special tools or welding needed. But first, you'll need to get the original factory system out of the way. We're going to try to remove ours without cutting it. These are the tools you'll need. Let's get to work. So to remove our exhaust, first we're going to start by removing the spare tire and the spare tire shield. With the shield removed, we're going to go ahead and remove the driver's side rear exhaust. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the front exhaust clamp. With this clamp loosened, we're going to go ahead and move to the back to remove the exhaust. Now we're going to remove the factory rubber exhaust isolators. With those removed, then we're going to remove the factory exhaust hanger in the back. In Corsa's instructions, they recommend that you cut the exhaust in two pieces to remove it. But with a little bit of finagling and elbow grease, you can get this out in one piece. Designed as a catback setup, this Corsa kit features 3-inch stainless tubing with mandrel bends. That will allow our Silverado's engine to exhale up to 57% better, and according to Corsa, that can deliver up to 17 more horsepower and 15 more foot-pounds of torque. And better yet, it'll give our Silverado a nice drone-free exhaust note. We're going to snug this clamp up and then come back and torque it later. Now onto the muffler. Got it snugged up, and we're going to come back and torque this just like the other ones later. Now we're going to install the tailpipe section. With the tailpipe section installed, now it's time to install the tip. It's also worth noting that we opted for a side exit exhaust because our Silverado had factory exhaust exits in the bumper, and we're changing the bumper to an ADD. With our exhaust installed, now it's time to tighten our clamps and go back and torque them. We recommend you torque these to the manufacturer spec. Now with everything snugged up, we're going to come back and torque the spherical clamp to 21 and the rest of the clamps to 45 pounds. finish up our install, we're just going to go ahead and put the spare tire shield back in and the spare tire. With the system installed, let's take this thing for a road test, compare the sound and acceleration. I really love the tone of this exhaust. This thing is, you know, it's an aftermarket exhaust. It's loud enough to where you know something's coming down the road, but it's not so loud where it's overbearing. And then at highway speed, it's really great too because the thing has no drone. So it's still really enjoyable to drive, whether it's on the highway or around town. It's actually really hard to keep your foot out of it because of how good this thing sounds. But don't take my word for it. We'll have the production team set up some microphones and let the truck speak for itself. You can get the same benefits for your rig too. As you can see, this installation was fairly straightforward and pretty easy too, and we got it done in just a few hours. So I'm Justin with Summit Racing. Thanks for watching.